Hello. Namaste. You should be ashamed to be owning this factory which is damaging your neighborhood villages. Instead of doing CSR and helping them, you're ruining their life. And you're using police to get them arrested. If you're going to take that stance, I know all the way on the top, whether it's Muttaya or Annamalai. Do you know who I am? I'm the MP of this constituency and I have connections in Madras with your management. Whether they are my friends or enemies, on this I'm not going. They are actually known to our family, your management. But on this issue, I am not going to spare you or your management. We are going to give you 1 week time to give the compensation. Otherwise, I will be here. I will stop the factory. The MLA may be from a different area. He will come and stop. Okay? Immediately stop on the compensation. Start on the compensation process. There is no excuses. Do you have anything to say? Write a letter. I'm going to write a letter today. Respond to it and start the process. Tell me whether you week 1 week or 2 weeks. That's the only time. Compensation, every plot owner has to be, every house. We can see the watermarks on the house. Did you or any of them bother to come and see the damage you are doing to our place? No, you have not come. You have not come. Are you? They are not beggars, I say. Bichapola kaisa atla bhi telga. Bichapola kistaraya household items. Inlu mungipote compensation istaru. Polal mungipote compensation istaru. మీ బిచ్చం ఇక్కడ ఎవరు అవసరం లేదు, నాకు కూడా మీ బిచ్చం అవసరం లేదు. మీరు చేసే డ్యామేజ్ కు కాంపెన్సేషన్, మీరు ఎంత డ్యామేజ్ చేస్తే అంత కాంపెన్సేషన్ ఇవ్వాలి. మీరు 10 రూపాయల డ్యామేజ్ చేస్తే 10 రూపాయల కాంపెన్సేషన్ ఇవ్వాలి. మీరు ₹1,00,000 అంటే ₹1,00,000. ఇక్కడ పొలాలు పోయినాయి, పంట పొలాలు పోయినాయి. సో ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు గివ్ యూ టైమ్, ఆర్ యూ బెటర్ యూ టెల్ మీ ద టైమ్. ఇప్పటి వరకు సాల్వ్ అయితే సో 1 week or 2 weeks, let me know. And I will make sure, I'll make this my mission to stop Chettinad Cements if they do not respect the local community, if they do not pay compensation. Okay? Manchit, thank you. Manchit.